Good evening. It looks like if you were playing this pattern, it may be breaking down out of it. It was worth a shot, but you had a tight stop loss, right? So if you entered this position, you should have never entered the position for one, because the pattern never broke up. I showed you where to place your buys, right? I told you at 49 cents to place your buys in the breakout, and then your last one up at 50. But this is just a quick update. If you were gonna play this, it seems to be breaking down. I had a stop loss, so I only lost 1%. And I said I'll watch it because the volume's just not coming in, and it looks like you're gonna break down out of here. Let's delete that. It looks like you're gonna break down, but right now you're bouncing off the 200-day moving average on the underneath support. And you could bounce off that. You see how you got that wick? You're getting a little buyback. And this could just be a fake out to get people like me to get driven out. And then it'll pump up. This is a fluent situation, right? But pattern right now seems to be trying to break down out of it. And you say, well, what the fuck's the bullish target now? Well, it wouldn't be a bullish target. The target now would be the 50-day moving average. Right, the underneath 50, right? See that in the 1 hour time frame. That's your new target. If you confirm the breakdown out of this now and you crash below the 200-day and the 5-minute, you're coming down to the 50-day moving average. So just keep paying close attention to this. I think you might be breaking down out of the pattern. The volume is dead. I would have expected volume to pick up. So you might be breaking down to the 50-day moving average in the hour time frame, right? That would be a logical target and a Fibonacci level. You see that big volume coming in as you're breaking. That's why I had the emergency sell alert here if you were holding, because if you broke that, that's key uptrending support. That's why I thought this was a huge level where it was going to go either way. The pattern was showing pumping price, pumping volume, bullish, crashing volume after pump, and sideways and down consolidation after pump coinciding together. That's a bullish signal, right? But it doesn't mean it can't go the other way. It just means probability based. You had a slightly better chance of this breaking up, right? But it appears to be breaking down. Now what's probably going to happen is it's going to get bought back up, and I would expect to watch the trade along that uptrending resistance now, right? I would think you would trade something like that, and then you would make your big move, right? Do you pump back through there, or do you get rejected and come back down to that target we just made? You know what I'm saying? Very fluent situation. Bitcoin's crashing, which we expected. We gave you an alternate scenario. It could bounce up to get sort of a fake out back up into here, right? Pull our company favorite drawing tool out. We thought it could give you a little relief rally, but then we're going down. We've been nailing Bitcoin price, right, for weeks. Nailing this. What, did I erase all my shit? Where's my beautiful drawings at? What the fuck's going on? I had the same drawings on there for fucking 3 months. Somehow, my beautiful piece of artwork. Are you fucking kidding me? They've had these fucking lines on here forever. Come on. What the fuck? Why are all the lines gone and everything? Something happened to my chart. Everything's all gone. Not gone there. There we go. I was going to say, I've had these lines forever. Right? We call Bitcoin right here. When we said the pattern was being exhausted, right? We'll go over it one more time because I'm going to put it on a shirt if I ever get any more subscribers. Like, subscribe, and share. Remember, pump. Make this a little bit bigger. If we go back farther, you get pumping volume, bullish. And then right here, the move ended, right? Because the volume started crashing right there. But then from here and up, you had an upwards and sideways consolidation. See that? Make it a better color. See that right there? Make it a better color. See that? Like the upwards and sideways consolidation as the buyers are being exhausted. And you make a rounding top, and the sellers or the bearers are beginning to take over the market, and the price is going to come down. And your first target in the monthly would be your 50-day moving average, and your ultimate target, by the time it got there, it would be your 200-day, would be up here. But that's why our ultimate target out of here is where the wedge started, right? And we think we're coming to $20,000 eventually. You got to trade your way up and down. It doesn't just come straight down. But that's how we called this way, way back, right? When I started making videos, I posted a couple of flashback ones today when I was making videos up in here, right? But if we zoom in real quick, delete that. We thought maybe in Bitcoin today, you could start when we were here, you could bounce and then come back up and trade up because you were getting kind of oversold before you crashed. But the sell pressure just seems to be too heavy right now, and Bitcoin is just falling. So that bullish option that we gave you earlier today, that hook nose reversal pattern, that's still in play because, see, that's what we were saying. Because it's kind of like the pattern's being exhausted. And once you break that, we're going to pop, right? Kind of the same thing as Dogecoin. But Dogecoin seems to be breaking down right now. That's all I got for this evening. Quick update. Peace and love.